Hey everybody, welcome to Crossbuckle Homestead. Jonathan here. And right now we are at 8:44 p.m. and I am just now getting around to dinner because Sarah is still at work, but she'll be home soon. So anyway, what we are doing tonight, I thought I would bring you along for a quick little cooking video. So our video tonight has to do with kimchi fried rice. Alright, so let's break this down a little bit. So first off, to kimchi fried rice, you need some kimchi. Alright, so here is some kimchi. Kimchi is basically just fermented cabbage with a bunch of really awesome ingredients in it. Garlic, pepper paste, shrimp, fermented shrimp, and a whole bunch of other things. Depending on the recipe you're going for, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of variations on kimchi. Alright, so you put all that stuff together and then you ferment it, and you get this very awesome tasting stuff. If you've never had kimchi, you are missing out. Go out and find some right now before you even make this. But for tonight, fortunately, we have this kimchi. This is from one of Sarah's co-workers who is Korean, and his mother made this, and she is amazing. We're hoping to have her over once we get some cabbage, so she can teach us how to make it ourselves. So the first ingredient in kimchi fried rice is obviously kimchi. The second ingredient, you need rice. So we have some rice here. This is some basmati brown rice, and we made this yesterday. So this is the thing about kimchi fried rice, or most any fried rice recipes. It's always best if you use rice that has been made the day before because it has some time to dry out. So when you put it into the pan and into the oil, all the moisture is gone, so it gets crispier easier. So I made this yesterday. If you make it the day of, it'll still taste pretty good, but so the rice is kind of the second ingredient. And then really all you need is some oil. Right now we're using coconut oil. We have a little bit of butter. We have eggs. We have some onion tops from our garden out front. A little bit of butter and some Korean hot pepper paste. It's level 3, and I tell you what the rest of it means, but my Korean is not that great. What we're gonna do, we're gonna heat up this oil and butter, get it warm, and then we're gonna put in some of this kimchi, about 4 cups or so. And we're gonna mix in about 2 tablespoons of the hot chili paste with that. And we're gonna go in, and I will be back with you then. Alright, so I have the kimchi going in the oil and the butter. I added in the pepper paste, and I also added in some greens just to beef it up a little bit. I wish you were here because it smells absolutely delicious. And so I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit, and then the next phase we're gonna add in the green onions and then add in the rice. Alright, so the rice is in. When I cook the rice, I use 1.5 cups of rice. So I put that in there. I also put in about 3/4 of the green onions on top. Alright, so there you have it. Kimchi fried rice with a fried egg on top, and I use some of the onion as the garnish. It smells absolutely amazing. I wish you were here to smell it, but I guess you'll just have to go try it on your own. So we got 2 for dinner here. Sarah should be home soon, and we have enough leftovers for lunch tomorrow. And it's only 9:07. Right, so in about 20 minutes, if you have all the ingredients, you can have a delicious kimchi fried rice meal as well. This is Crossbuckle Homestead, If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, whatever you like to do, and we hope to see you next time.